The Belgian Tervuren is an elegant and intelligent herding dog originating from Belgium. It is one of 4 closely related Belgian Shepherd varieties, distinguished by its long, rich fawn coat and black overlay. Originally bred to herd and guard livestock, the Belgian Tervuren quickly proved its versatility beyond farming. Its sharp intelligence, speed, and loyalty made it invaluable in police work, military service, and search and rescue operations. This breed is known for exceptional awareness and problem-solving ability. Tervurens learn commands rapidly and thrive when given complex tasks that challenge both mind and body. Highly devoted to their families, Belgian Tervurens form deep bonds and are naturally protective without being aggressive. They are sensitive dogs that respond best to confident, consistent training. Physically, the Belgian Tervuren combines strength with agility. Its athletic build allows rapid acceleration, precise movement, and sustained endurance. Today, Belgian Tervurens are not endangered, though they remain relatively rare compared to other shepherd breeds. Respected worldwide for intelligence, beauty, and dedication, the Belgian Tervuren stands as one of the finest working dogs ever developed,